everybody, it is time to learn another form of se. So far you have learned just one form out of 3 forms of se. Today we are going to learn the very common form of se. Here it is. The name of this letter is Sheen, like Sheen, just as any other letter. Yes, open ending, and this one closed ending. Now let's get into some examples. This is sar. Sar means head. How about another example? Dust. Dust. As it is the open-ending one, of course, it goes at the beginning or in the middle of any word. So how about the close-ending one? And this is toss. Toss means dice when you play game boards. How about a fruit? Like ananas. Yeah, I'm sure you know this fruit. And what if I add 3 dots to se? Check here. Like this. Is this another letter, Ziba? Yes, it is. This is sheen. Sheen sounds like sh. And about seen, I'm sure now that you're asking, so what's the difference between these two? Well, if you're an Arab person, you know the difference. But in Farsi, literally there is no difference between these different type of se. Both of them sounds should be pronounced the same as se. There's no difference. And just like these form of ze, which are similar, and so are you asking if you can write san with this se? Then no, because there is no such a word as this, which means head. But seen means head, but seen means dust, hand, dice. So it changes the meaning, but there is no difference in pronunciation. So back to sheen. Shotor. Shotor means camel. So many dots, right? Charge. Charge. Yeah, charge. Charge. More and more dots. Posht. Posht means behind, back. Atash. Atash means fire. And how about another letter? So seen, sheen, and how about learning another letter? This is ye. Writing ye or ya, it's the same. So writing the second form, the close-ending form, can be a bit tricky. So you need just to basically start writing like an S and circle. just run. Make her a circle like S and like this. Example time. Ya, yazd, yazd. So it sounds like ye. Dar, ya, which means see, and the close ending form, which goes at the end of the words. Baraye means for. Baraye. And ready for the surprise? After learning Sheen, Sheen, Yé, how about learning a new vowel? So far you have learned the long vowel like this. And a, e, and o. How about learning e? So is there a new letter? E? No, it's not. Guess what? Just as a, e, o that we need to borrow aleph. Here again we need to borrow aleph. So literally the same letter. So if a word, say Iran, which starts with E sound, yes, the right pronunciation is Iran, but not Iran. So Iran, which is E. So how am I supposed to write E? Just as before, that we used to borrow aleph, here I write ye and I borrow aleph to make it E. So now this one sounds like E, which is like it sounds like E long. It is not a short E, like it's like feed, this one, E. So E, run, run. Another example, like aleph and then ye, e, in. In means this. In. This is about E at the beginning. What if it is in the middle of a word? Any word, take my name, Ziba, it's an E. So how should we do this?